In this video, I will tell you how to select trees using the layer style feature and change the sky background using Adobe Photoshop. For the first step, I'm going to insert a photo into the workspace. Before changing the background, I have to remove the sky area first. I'm going to use the layer style feature to remove it. Duplicate the photo layer first. Press Ctrl+J on the layer. Hide the background layer. Double-click on Layer 1 and the Layer Style Settings window will appear. In Blend If mode, change from gray to blue to match the color of the sky area. After that, slide the toggle on this layer to remove the sky in the photo. To split the toggle, hold down the Alt key plus left click, then swipe on one of the toggles. Set according to what is needed. If it's done, click OK. And now the sky area in the photo has disappeared. We just need to add a new sky photo. Customize new sky photo. Then move the new sky photo layer under Layer 1. If it's still not right, adjust the scale and position again. To cut out excess areas of the photo, use the Crop tool. Then click 2 times on the new sky photo layer. Before adjusting the color of the photo on the sky, duplicate the photo layer where the sky has been removed. Right-click on Layer 1 Copy, and then select Convert to Smart Object. To adjust the color in the hue and saturation settings, press Ctrl+U on the layer. Adjust the colors so they look unified. To adjust the light and contrast, add an adjustment layer. And then select Curve. Turn on Clip to Layer mode. After that, adjust the lighting section in Curve settings. And the result is like this. That's how to select difficult areas on photo, remove the background, and change it to make look aesthetic. Thank you for watching, and see you again in another tutorial video.